Hello and welcome back to Good Looking Chap. My name is Elvin and today joining us is Adam.
Hi!
Yeah, and we are going to unbox a Lego set which is this heavy cargo transport from Lego City. Adam. So this is for age 5, but Adam is still 3. What is this like, Adam? You like? Hey, what? Kuat sikit suara, kuat sikit. Helicopter. Helicopter, he said. Helicopter. Okay.
Ini apa?
Itu kereta besar, sangat besar, entire besar.
Ini apa?
Itu kan sudah buat kan tadi?
Iya.
So,
Tapi mana sudah?
ada sana, somewhere. Wait later, don't go there. Okay, this set is set number 60183. It's heavy cargo transport from Lego City, age 5 to 12, and it contains 310 pieces. So this set is released back in 2017. So I just got it for a discounted price, which is kind of nice actually. Looking at the size for the vehicle. So without further ado, let's unbox this. Okay. So looks like I didn't bring my knife.
Light. What light?
Knife. No knife. So let's open the seal. Slowly open the seal. Come on, slowly.
Hey, what happened?
Yeah. Okay, never mind. Open. Let's see what's inside. The box is empty. Oops. Watch your head. Watch your head. Okay, here comes the rescuer, Mr. Adam. So we have in the box, we have two books. Two books. We have book number 1.
Yeah, Lego.
This is book number 2. You can see. This is book number 1. We have a flip brick. We have bag number 3. We have bag number 1. Bag number 2. And the last bag number 4. So we have a total of 4 bags. So Adam, let's build this.
Yeah.
Let's get building. So there you have it. The whole heavy cargo transport is done. So it took about half an hour. Aeroplane. So as you can see in the front, we have the truck, which is kind of nice actually. Not bad. One seater, about one seater passenger. Then you have the box, the yellow box inside. Then it actually has this crane to pull, which actually is attached with the helicopter behind it. So this screen is actually supposed to pull this helicopter like that. Oh, like that.
Yeah.
So let's put one side at the end here. Adam,
Yeah.
move.
Yeah.
Yeah. Two minifigure. No, Adam, here. Here, come here. Not move there. I mean, move the truck. Move the truck. Kasih gerak tuh truck. Ah, then. Let's see how Adam run it. So the helicopter itself is also quite nice actually. It's about similar to the Lego Hospital helicopter. If you turn this, Adam. So one thing bad of this mirror actually can't go top because of the propellers quite very near. So to actually go very high, this thing needs to be one more level behind. Okay. Let it sit, Adam. Jadi put in front lah. Diletak ya. So the driver is a lady driver. No, si depan sana. Like this.
Like it.
Yeah. Okay, put her in. Then you have the chopper ready to take off at any moment. So let's put this down. Okay, then helicopter moves up. Then the car moves. Move again. Exit. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. Hey, you like this. So it's actually quite a nice set. But remember, he's 3 years old, so I have to build. He has to pick the shape and color, which actually during the assembly I instruct. He go find. I actually assemble. That's why it took some time. But it's a fun moment, as you can see. You like, Adam?
Yeah.
Yeah. You suka? Apa you
Yeah.
suka? What you like about the set?
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane. This one you don't like?
Yeah.
Apa yeah?
Yeah.
What is that lah?
Aku coba ke yang jauh.
Dia
Yang
bergoyang.
kau.
Jangan itu. Habis hancur. Kasihan dia tuh Lego.
Apa?
So
Orang, hello.
it's red. It's the color, team color is about red and black. So that's it's a 6 tire
Black and white.
versus 6 tire trailer behind with a helicopter. So I could recommend this set. It's actually quite nice, not bad. Very nice set. So thank you for watching. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and enable notification to get the next video, which is coming up on the next Saturday.
Boleh.
So this is Tuesday.
Okay.
So until then, see you again. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Hands.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Mana pun. Okay. Ini begini. Hook itu dia terbang. Oh, dia angkat. Oh, ada. Dekat. Oh, not strong enough. Ayo, patah dia. Ini isi. Mari kita tes dia. Kejap. Wait. Ayah. Wait. We see. Helikopter boleh angkat atau tidak? Si ini boleh angkat. Like this. Like this. Oh. Like that. Ayo, wait. Boleh. Oh no. Oh, helikopter boleh angkat trailer. Jangan patah jatuh. Ayo.